Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn how to make the journal entry with the help of accounting equations. So, in accounting equation, we have assets equals to liabilities plus capital. ठीक है, we have assets equals to liability plus capital, and the rule for assets is for debit, if it is increasing, assets are increasing, then we will debit, and decrease, then it will be credited. In liabilities, debit and credit. If it is decreasing, decrease, then we have to debit, and increase will be credited. So, according to this only, we are going to make the journal entry. Format for journal entry: this is the format for journal entry: date, particular, LF, that is the ledger folio, and amount and amount. This is debit and this is credit. So this is the format for journal entry. So I'll take one question, like first entry is Dinesh started business with cash. So that means we are having two items, one is capital and one is cash. दो चीज हो गई इसमें, cash and capital. So here both the things are increasing, that means cash is an asset. If it is increasing, then it will be debited, and here capital is increasing, that means it will be credited. Both the items are increasing because when we are starting the business we have to invest the cash. So whatever the cash will be, that will be our capital also. So capital is also increasing and cash is also increasing. So cash is an asset. So first we'll take first entry in date column, that is cash account debit, because cash is increasing, so asset will be debited, and capital is also increasing, so it will be credited to capital account. Amount is 1 lakh rupees. So we have to write the narration also. Narration will be being business started with cash. So first entry is business started with cash. Then we have borrowed from Naresh. When we have borrowed some money from someone, so there are again two accounts. Here another one account is cash. Cash is increasing. Another is loan. We are taking some money from other person. That means we are taking some loan. So loan is increasing. So here loan is increasing. So both the accounts are increasing. Again same second entry. cash account debit to loan from Naresh account. ठीक है, we have taken a loan from Naresh for rupees 1 lakh. Then narration being loan taken from Naresh. ठीक है, अगेन नेक्स्ट एंट्री, परचेज फर्नीचर फॉर रुपीज़ 20,000 इन कैश फ्रॉम राज फर्नीचर. अब हमने 20,000 का फर्नीचर खरीदा, तो दैट मीन्स अगेन टू अकाउंट, वन इज फर्नीचर and another is cash, because we have purchased the furniture for cash. So that means third entry is here. So cash is decreasing whenever we are purchasing something, so we have to make the payment. For that purpose cash has to be paid, and we are getting furniture. As both the things are assets, one is increasing, one is decreasing. So journal entry will be furniture account debit to cash account. As both the accounts are assets, both the items are assets, so it will not be affecting on the liability side. So one asset is increasing, one asset is decreasing. Whatever will be increased, it will be debited. Whatever will be decreased, it will be credited. Narration being furniture purchased for cash. ठीक है, another entry, it is very easy to make the entry by the help of accounting equation because it clarify the accounts. किस में कहाँ जाना है, easily you can identify, so you can easily make the journal entry. Another thing is sold good for cash to Karim. Now we have sold the goods. When we are selling the goods, what will be affecting? Cash and goods. तो goods will be asset, तो one thing is going, assets is decreasing. तो यहाँ पे goods हो गया हमारा, तो goods are decreasing and assets are, cash is increasing. Cash increase हो रहा है because we are getting the money. When we are selling something, we are getting the money. So cash will be increasing when we are getting the money, तो cash will increase and goods will decrease. तो journal entry will be cash account debit to, we do not write goods whenever there is no name like furniture, machine, ये नाम नहीं होगा, then we have to write sales or purchase. Here we will be writing sales. ठीक है, 25,000 amount will be 25,000. Narration being goods sold for cash. ठीक है, it is very easy to make the journal entry by the help of accounting equation. Next entry, cash received from Shyam. तो अब क्या होगा, when we are receiving something from some person, Shyam will be a debtor, because when we are receiving a money from a debtor, then debtor will decrease तो कैश विल इंक्रीज, कैश हमारा इंक्रीज हो रहा है, डेटर्स हमारा डिक्रीज हो रहा है. तो नाउ एंट्री विल बी कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू श्याम अकाउंट. Narration being cash received from श्याम. ठीक है, तो it can be easily made whatever the case will be. So you can make the journal entry by the help of accounting equation. Next, cash paid to Mahesh. When we are paying a cash to some person, so that means he is a creditor. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Sixth entry, when we are making some payment, तो cash will be decreasing. कैश हमारा डिक्रीज हो रहा है, एंड हेयर क्रेडिटर विल बी डिक्रीजिंग. व्हेन वी आर मेकिंग द पेमेंट टू अ क्रेडिटर, तो हमारा क्रेडिटर कम हो जाएगा, तो दैट विल ऑल्सो बी डिक्रीजिंग. तो हेयर बोथ द थिंग्स आर डिक्रीजिंग. तो अब यहां पे डेबिट क्या होगा हमारा? नरेश अकाउंट डेबिट, क्योंकि वो लाइबिलिटीज हो गया हमारा. तो व्हेन लाइबिलिटीज इज डिक्रीजिंग तो इट विल बी डेबिटेड, एंड व्हेन इट इज इंक्रीजिंग इट विल बी क्रेडिटेड. एज एसेट्स इज डिक्रीजिंग इट विल बी क्रेडिटेड. तो हेयर नरेश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट. being payment made to Naresh. Narrations is very compulsory, because if you are not writing the narration, the marks will be deducted. Then purchase good from Mahesh. If we are purchasing goods on credit, when we are purchasing goods, that means our creditor is increasing. So entry will be purchases. When we are purchasing the goods, that means goods are increasing. यहाँ पे goods हमारे increase हो गए. Here creditor will be increasing. तो यहाँ पे आ गया हमारा क्रेडिटर इंक्रीज हो गया. तो व्हेन लायबिलिटी विल इंक्रीज इट विल बी क्रेडिटेड, एंड व्हेन एसेट्स विल इंक्रीज इट विल बी डेबिटेड. जर्नल एंट्री विल बी purchase account debit to Naresh account. Narration being goods purchased on credit. Whenever there is a name and cash is not written, it means the goods are purchased on credit. Sold, again in case of sales also, if there is only a name like goods sold to Kareem, goods sold to Shyam, any name is there, if it means that it is on credit. Whenever we are selling the goods, that means debtor is increasing. Whenever we are buying the goods, that means creditor is increasing. तो ये चीज़ ध्यान रखना. बाय में क्रेडिटर, सेल्स में डेटर्स। नेक्स्ट एंट्री, पेड रेंट फॉर द रेजिडेंट। तो हमने रेंट पे करा, रेंट पेड इन कैश, तो वट एवर एक्सपेंसेस, रेंट इज एन एक्सपेंस, तो रेंट क्या होगा हमारा, कैपिटल में से माइनस हो जाएगा। और इधर कैश हमारा डिक्रीज हो रहा है, देन कैश विल बी डिक्रीजिंग, दैट मीन्स इट इज माइनस एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो माइनस, बोथ आर डिक्रीजिंग। तो एंट्री विल बी रेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट। नरेशन बीइंग रेंट पेड इन कैश, ठीक है। तो वट एवर एक्सपेंसेज आर देयर दैट इज ऑल्सो decreasing because that has to be deducted from the capital. As expenses are there, cash will be decreased and capital, that is if capital will be decreasing then it will be debited.